Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do something different. So as you know, 2025 is slowly or quickly approaching, and we need to get our life together. We as in me. So what I'm going to be reviewing today is this budget by paycheck Google sheet that I got off of Etsy. And as you can see, it was only 99 cents. Regular price like $1.98, so it's still like $2. So I'm going to be testing this out because I need to get on a budget. I've been afraid of money for so long, and I was like, I can't keep being afraid of money because I need to save. In this video, we're gonna go over this budget by paycheck sheet, and I'll let you know if it's worth it. And if it is, the link will be in the description. Alright, okay. So this is the paycheck or the budget by paycheck Google sheet that I got off of Etsy. And this is how it starts out. This is the README. This is how you set it up. It shows you all the one-time setup. And I think what I like about this one is that they give you a tutorial to watch. So you could go in and you can go over to YouTube and you can watch the tutorial on how to set it up, but they also have instructions that you can go back to that's already in the sheet. And I read through all of this before, so I kind of know, and I watched the video, so I kind of know what I'm doing. So always when you buy like sheets like this off Etsy or Gumroad or wherever they're selling sheets like this, make sure you always make a copy so that your main copy will be like your fresh copy, and then you can go back and, you know, do it all over again. So I had already made a copy. This one is for YouTube because I'm not going to be using my real income and everything on here. Y'all gonna have to wait for this. So currency, and then you put in your greatly appreciated. So I'm gonna put YouTube. So those are gonna be my 4 incomes. For savings, of course, you need an emergency fund. Got your emergency fund. I want to put international travel because I do plan to travel outside of the country in 2025, and birthday trip because I want to go somewhere nice for my birthday. It may not be international, so I'm just gonna make a completely separate savings for that. And then, you know what, I'm gonna put new car because I need a new car. So new car. And then this is the expenses. These are basically, they're not bills, but they're like recurring expenses that you know you're gonna have to deal with. So of course, gas, groceries. I put car stuff because, you know, the car be acting up. Even if it's like a car wash, like I get my car washed every other week, so that goes under car stuff. I also need new brakes, so that's going under car stuff. What else? Gas, grocery, entertainment. So that's like concerts, eating out, going to the club, dates, whatever those are. And yeah, entertainment. And I'll say pet because I do have 2 fur babies, so pet stuff. Okay, so next is the bills. So I'm just gonna put a few bills in here. I'm not gonna go crazy, just to show you. So of course, rent due. Rent, you got to get car insurance. You got to do, what's the other insurance? Renter's insurance. Even though that's tied in, that's like car insurance and rent insurance. So I'm just gonna put insurance. Let's see, how do you go back? Insurance. And I don't know what that is. What else? phone bill, gym. What other bills? My car paid off, so I don't have a car now. What else? Pet insurance. Okay, so that's good for bills. And then your debt. So the student loan. You got credit card. I'll put credit card 1. Credit card. Credit 2. And I guess you can put Klarna. I don't know. Klarna. And then you can put the due date. So rent is due on the 1st. Insurance 25th. Phone bill the 13th. Gym 17th. Pet insurance on the 5th. And then student loans, say 15th. The 9th. I'm just making this up. And then I'll put like the 11th. Okay. So this is the start. So this is where you add all your categories. And then look at when you go to the calendar, it puts everything on your calendar. So, and then even when you add like more stuff to the calendar, like you see rent, credit cards, bills, Klarna, all that. And then you can also add, because like we're in June, let's just say it's June, and my birthday's in June. So I'm gonna say Brittany's birthday. You don't have to put a full date, you just put the 30th. And then boom, where am I? And then my birthday. And then you can always change the start of your week. Like some people's week starts on Monday, mine starts on Sunday. So you can go in and change the week as you like. And then after that you go to log. So log is where you go in and you log all your salary. So like let's say, let me go back to June. So let's say June 7th I got paid $500. And then, you know, I'm just making up these. And then the first, let's say income, let's get all your income. So let's say YouTube, wishful thinking, but let's say YouTube paid me $687.16. And if that's my actual very first YouTube payout, I don't know, I might do a giveaway or something. So remember this number. If my first YouTube payout is $1,687.16, then I don't know, I'm gonna give some of y'all like a Starbucks gift card or something. Okay, and bonuses, because it's the beginning of the month. Let's go income, bonus, and let's just say I got like a $300 bonus from the month prior. And then freelancing gigs, let's say I made $1,000 freelancing. All right, so that is my income. And then I'll go in and I'll do bills next. And then let's say rent. So rent, let's say rent is $1,500. And let's do insurance, $150. And then just know I'm just making up these numbers. Like I'm just throwing numbers into the wind just to show y'all how to use this. And then let's see, on the 12th, pay your phone bill. That's gonna be $125. And then gym, let's say that's $15. And pet insurance is $35. And then you just put in the date that you pay it, or the amount, or the date of the transaction. And then you just go through, just put everything in. So I'm not gonna put everything in, so I'll be back. Okay, so I went in and I put some more stuff in just to show y'all. As you can see, you can put all your expenses, everything in. So over here is the actual budget. So let me go to June. So as you can see, it has my starting balance, my income, bills, etc. So it has all that, and then you can always put in, like, you can put in what you budgeted for. So like, you're expecting your income to be, so So you go not into cash flow, but you go over to salary. So if you budget for, let's say, $500 salary, you're budgeting for a bonus, and you can just put in what you actually budgeted for versus your actual. So like if you thought you were going to get $650, and then YouTube you thought you were going to get $500, and they pay you more than that. The actual comes from the log page, and then this is the budget for the emergency fund. So all you do, you fill it out. Saving 100, emergency, international travel, say 100, 50 for birthday, and 100. And same thing with the bills, insurance, and you just put in the actual. And then same thing with the expenses and everything. So if you budgeted and you actually, and this tells you how much you have left. If you budgeted for $30 and you actually spent $25, then you got that much left over from your expenses. And then same thing with the debt. It also shows your expense breakdown, so it lets you know how much percentage of each expense you spent. And then it gives you your salary, your income summary, wishful thinking. I make 48.4% of my income from YouTube. And then it shows you what you have left to spend, and then you're over budget, but it shows you how you left to spend, and then how many days you have left. And then it shows you your bills plus your expenses, and it has all of these other graphs and whatnot. She has it to where you can go in and you can purchase more of her sheets. Like she has a time blocking sheet, which I might be looking into, and right now all of these are 99 cents. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave her link below. You go check out the paycheck, the budget by paycheck, as well as everything else she has, because right now it's 99 cents. I don't know how long it's gonna be 99 cents, but yeah, give her, what's her name, Exclusive Design Lab. Yeah, go to Exclusive Design Lab, because I actually like this is user friendly. It wasn't hard to learn how to use, and for somebody who is just getting into making their budget, this is easy. It's not overwhelming. I'll give it 4.5 stars. So let me know in the comments if you want me to do more videos like this, reviewing Etsy products, reviewing productivity products, or if you want me to just go back to doing design and rambling about my life. This is a new channel, so like I'm just throwing spaghetti at the wall to see what sticks at this point. So your feedback would be greatly appreciated. As for now, this is Brittany from Brittany's Bubble, and I'm signing out.